If you have a lot of information to share on a topic, you might consider making an online course. Follow this tutorial to see how I used ChatGPT and Pictory to easily create high-quality video content. I asked ChatGPT to come up with 10 titles for online courses in the world of online content creation. Next, I asked ChatGPT for 10 lesson ideas. Here are some of the ideas it generated. But ChatGPT can help to break this down even further. An online course benefits from interactive elements for the students. Assignments and practical tasks help users engage with the material in a new way. This ultimately increases satisfaction with the course as a whole. When your script is finished, you're ready to start making video content. Start by signing in to your Pictory account, and select the script to video feature in the menu. Upload as much or as little text into the script editor as you like. Before proceeding to the editor, you can also choose your captions template and aspect ratio. Our AI software scans your text and applies appropriate stock footage to your video. Captions are also applied to your video. They can be edited through the Storyboard tab. There are 2 ways to add voiceover to your online course. Alternatively, you can use our AI software, which will read every caption for you. Pictory's wide range of tools enables you to customize your online course to your needs. Once you're satisfied with your work, publishing content is just as simple. You can download work straight to your device, or upload through our Hootsuite integration. Sign up for a free Pictory account today to kickstart your video marketing strategy.